You need to hear this if you're a Python pro looking for your next big move. We're looking for a talented Python lead. We're hiring a Python lead with solid experience in Python, AWS services, and React. Got one. 2 years of hands-on experience with AI modules, and NLP? Perfect. Messaging experience? That's a bonus. This role is with a CMMI 5-level company that offers the flexibility of remote work. But here's the kicker. We need an immediate joiner with 5+ years of experience. If you fit the bill, don't wait. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment to stay updated with more exciting opportunities. Know someone looking for a job? Share this video and help them land their dream role. Apply now by emailing your resume to vikrant@iglobal.com. And check out our job channel in description for more available jobs. Don't miss out. Your dream job is just an email away.